Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you laptop how to take a screenshot. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To take a screenshot, the first method that you can use is press the print screen button on your keyboard. You'll find the print screen button, simply press that and that will take you to the snipping tool. And all you gotta do is select the area where you want to take the screenshot of. Let me just assume this is the one. Then you can simply open up your notepad, right click on it and then click on paste to paste the image. The second is pressing Windows plus print screen. Simply press the Windows key on your keyboard and then press print screen, and that will take a screenshot of the entire screen. And this screenshot is saved automatically in pictures on your device and no need to paste it manually. That is by using the snipping tool, which is Windows Shift plus S, and then that will open up the snipping tool once again, and all you gotta do is select the area which you want the screenshot of and then simply head over and open up anything where you want to paste it and simply press Ctrl V or right click on it and then click on paste. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. That's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.